Now, I'm going to say Hugo Boom, okay?
What you say?
I'm going to say Hugo Boom.
Hugo Boom.
Hugo Boom.
Ruba Boom?
Hugo Boom.
Hugo Boom.
Oh, Hugo Boom, papi.
That's a boom.
Yes.
See, like
Yes,
when
Hugo Boom. So what I want you to say is we go boom with them, all right? So Hugo Boom.
We go boom.
Hugo Boom.
We go boom.
Hugo Boom.
Make some noise for explosion, y'all.
No man, no weapon formed against, yes, glory is destined. Everyday women and men become legends. Sins that go against our skin become blessings. The movement is a rhythm to us. Freedom is like religion to us. Justice is juxtapositioning us. Justice for all just ain't specific enough. One son died, his spirit is revisiting us. True and living in us. Resistance is us. That's why Rosa sat on the bus. That's why we walk through Ferguson with our hands up. When it go down, we woman and man up. They say stay down, and we stand up. Shots be on the ground, the camera panned up. King pointed to the mountaintop, and we ran up.
One day, when the glory comes, it will be ours, it will be ours. Oh, one day, when the war is won, we will be sure, we will be sure. We'll cry glory, oh glory, oh. We'll cry glory, oh glory,
Selma is now for every man, woman, and child. Even Jesus got his crown in front of a crowd. They march with the torch, we gon' run with it now. Never look back, we done gone hundreds of miles. From dark roads, heroes, to become a hero. Facing the League of Justice, his power was the people.
Good evening, officers. Good evening, Chief. What is our duty? To protect and serve. I can't hear y'all. To protect and serve.
This is a B double EK exclusive. And also, it's another queen.
Something's wrong, and I know that lately my city it been crazy. It's like every day somebody's gone, and every time I turn around I hear them gun sounds. Cop signs, man, we need to put the guns down. Everybody wanna be a shooter, scared to fight, so they take a life. Ain't no one-on-ones now. I don't wanna look up. Every time I look up, I can see them pictures hanging on the wall. Talking about my fan, yeah, I'm talking about my dogs. Rest in peace, some mom, and I swear I miss them all.